Hello, I'm buying tools not only from Germany, USA and other Europe countries, but as well from China. From China we can buy quite a quality tools, items in very good price. And I have about 10-15 packages from China with tools, accessories and much more, and I'm starting to do unboxing videos for all of them separately. As well, I will put all prices and links under the description. If you are interested in it, I bought all of them from Chinese webpage Taobao. So this is first unboxing. Let's unbox and see what inside, because when you are buying from China, for example 10 items from one seller, the seller can send it in 2, 3, 4 or even 5 packages different. So frankly speaking, I don't remember what in what package. So let's do unboxing and look what inside. The rest information will be under the description. That's it. Let's look what inside. I put the box away. This is screws tubes for floating shelves. You are doing hole in the wall. This is like tube and hole. This is 10 millimeter, 100 millimeter long. This is bigger one. 10 millimeter holes in your shelf. Put 2-3 of them on the wall and put your shelf, and you are receiving floating shelf on the wall. Very simple, and it is very easy to use. Make a hole on the wall and tighten, just tighten. Different size. Cheap and convenient. Let's look what is this. I'm guessing this is drilling guide. Just let's open and see. As you can see, very good packaging. Generally from China, they are packed items very good. This is 32 millimeter version, especially for cabinet making. It is very convenient. And this is 8 millimeter for dolls you can use. You can see size on it. This is aluminum with iridium painted, and we have a lot of bushings here for different types of holes. Mainly I bought it just for drilling straight holes. For example, this bushing, I do not see any numbers on it. It's not good, but you can use it. You can screw here, put any place, just start drilling, make a pilot hole and continue drilling, and you will have straight hole. This I think here to put some stop from the edge of the board. Let me check. Like here, you can put like this, but I'm not sure that this is made for that reason. Or maybe I think you can use it to do center hole. I think it's much more realistic. Yes, now I am sure. This is, you can do center hole in this board. And here we can see just different sizes of hardened steel bushing, from very small one. I bought metric version as well. They have imperial version. That's it. This is first unboxing. Wait for other videos from tools from China. Thank you for watching.